welcome back. It's now March the 21st. Yesterday was officially the first day of spring, which is fantastic. So I'm getting more and more things potted up. I've been able to move much more mature plants into the little greenhouse over there, which is actually very, very good. But I want to show you around the rest of the garden, as this garden has been in the making since the lockdown started. Before then I had a much bigger space and 3 big greenhouses, so now I'm dealing with an 8x6 greenhouse and learning to use the space, and also completely new beds. So it is literally like starting from scratch. No matter how much you know, you still have to learn your space. So there's still much more to do, but we've had some pretty good successes. I'll just show you. This is the gentleman's garden out the back here, and just wanted to show you this. This is what happens when you get plants in at the right time for the winter. And that's purple sprout and broccoli, which is looking rather healthy, and I have to keep it covered up because of pigeons. Absolute pain in the arse. Over here are a whole load of radishes that I planted out the same time as I made the last video. They were sown on the beginning of February, and as you see, I've planted them nice and deep. That really helps because it keeps all the moisture in around here, and as you can see, they benefit from a bit of wind protection. Now this is the ladies' garden, we like to call it. As you can see, we've already got quite a lot of salad on the go. This is Mizuna. This is fantastic. Now, I actually had transplanted most of these from the gentleman's garden, which were actually overwintered. They were covered in snow, they'd been frozen in a blizzard, and they're still healthy enough to move out. Now this is my little greenhouse, which I actually really do like, and you can tell the plants are really happy in here. So these cabbages, they were all done beginning of February really. There's more radishes over there. They'll be brilliant to go out very soon. Spring onions, pak choi, a lot of this lettuce and everything is going to be going into the ladies' garden, and quite a lot of these will also go to customers that we maintain gardens, and these are plants that I'll stock up their veg patches with. In the main greenhouse we have more tomatoes coming through. Those are bush varieties, or determinates they're called. Calendula, a lot of cosmos that I found in some old seed in some packets, and some sunflowers. There's all the tomatoes that are potted up, and they're started to really go for it now. My box of carrots. Over here I have been pricking out. These are that's a salad mix. This is komatsuna, and this is a green one. Over there is supposed to be a red one, which looks a little bit green at the moment to me, but you never know. And then I've got lots of other things here to be doing the same thing with. More Mizuna, that's the baby of the salads you saw out the front. And a Nicotiana, some flowery things. This is a red giant mustard, and a load of other little lettuce leaves. So plenty to get on with today. And down here is a second crop of pea shoots, which I'm actually really happy about. I didn't realise they'd come back quite as healthy as they have. So that's a bit of a bonus. And I've got a few other things to sow. I'm going to start my beans off. These are just little bush beans, which are great. They don't take up a lot of space. You can shove them in all sorts of little nooks and crannies. You get a reasonable crop, so that's why it's worth sort of sowing them successionally. So every month I'll basically sow a load more. So there you go. That's a bit of a brief tour, and there's still more to show. If you haven't sown anything just yet, don't worry. Now is the time to actually get sowing. Anything you do sow now is going to catch up in size to that. They'll grow a lot quicker just because of the time of year. Hope you enjoyed the show. See you again next time. I'm going to get back to things.